Every bottle of mango juice begins with perfectly ripe mangoes.
Only the sweetest mangoes are selected for production. Fresh mangoes arrive at the processing plant every day. Smart machines inspect every mango for perfect quality. Every mango is washed thoroughly before processing.
High-speed machines peel hundreds of mangoes every minute.
The juicy flesh is separated from the seed.
Fresh mangoes become rich and smooth pulp. The juice is filtered for a silky texture. Ingredients are blended into the perfect recipe.
Heat treatment keeps the juice fresh and safe.
The juice is cooled for maximum freshness.
New bottles are prepared for filling. Every bottle is filled with precision.
Each bottle is securely sealed.
Brand labels are applied automatically. Every bottle passes a final quality check. Millions of bottles are ready for shipment.
From the orchard to your table, fresh mango juice every day.